Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a challenge share. And this challenge was started by Shaz, who is Crafty Seasons here on YouTube. Um, there's no need to send anything in. All you have to do is do a VR, a video response. And for the month of June 2020, for the monthly challenge is hosted by Mary Barrett. She has chosen to have the crafters use 2 pieces of paper or 2 pieces of fabric to make their own thing with. So I have chosen to make with paper a freestanding uh, flower pot, which is inspired by Sam of Mixed Up Crafters on Facebook. And what I done was I have these flowers. I colored them with my touch, I think it's touch, soft touch markers, and I'll show it to you. It's these markers, Touch Sketch, right here. Okay, I used those markers to color in all of my flowers. Okay, and first what I done is I outlined it all in black. Then I went around, I colored them all. Then I took my Tim Holtz um, vintage photo ink, distress ink, and distressed all the flowers. Now, for this being inspired by Sam of Mixed Up Crafters, I did it the way I wanted it, and there's 2 pieces of paper on here. Okay, you have this one, and then you have this one. Both are Recollections papers, along with this ribbon here is Recollections. This, I don't remember where I got the lace from. This lace is from, if I'm not mistaken, it was given to me in some Happy Mail. And then I have all of these little rhinestones. I also distressed all the edges of the pot. Now here, I have glossy accents. Okay, now if you notice, they're 2 different colors. It was this color before I added the glossy accents. Okay, and then I took some Nouveau drops and went around, put some little dots on the flowers. Then I took another color of Nouveau drops and outlined the black lines with it. And on the back, all I have is my logo with Made with Love in every stitch, AngelRose Designs, and the same 2 pieces of paper that I used on the front of the pot. Okay, that's one item. Now I also made a card with paper. I have 3 different papers on this one. Well, actually 2, because this one, I printed these roses off of my computer. Again, I used the glossy accents, and you can tell the color got darker with the glossy accents on it. Now these papers are also Recollection, and I have my logo on the back of this card. Okay, it says get well soon, but I haven't put my sentiment inside. And I used the same 2 papers that I used on the front to do a little line here on the inside. Now I also chose to do a project with 2 fabrics, and I took a little Dollar Tree tray and lined it with some African American fabric and used some on the inside. That's the inside, okay? I also used some Offray flowers right here in the corner. And then I have some bling that came in some Happy Mail, which the fabric came in Happy Mail also. And then I used this fabric on the back side to cover the bottom. See, my African American fabric goes along the sides here. And I also use Mod Podge to put this in here. And I sealed it so it could be used for jewelry or whatever. Okay, this is my 3 projects for Mary Barrett and her challenge. And this challenge ends June 1st. June 31st, I'm sorry. And this is my VR. I will have the link to her challenge down below in the comments section or in the description box. So please look in both spots for that. I will pin it in the comment section. Also, I will link, if I can find it, Sam's video for the flower pot. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, be safe, be loved, be crafty. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.